Greetings to Dr. NAZIA Binti Abdul Kadar, lecturer on the subject of aquaculture animal genetics. Today I will be presenting a video on the hybridizations of Nile tilapia and blue tilapia in freshwater aquaculture. The content list is the introduction, result, discussions, importance of economy, pros of the hybridizations, cons of the hybridizations, recommendations, conclusions, and reference. The introduction: hybridizations is the crossing of two different species or strains aimed at combining desirable traits from both parents. The target organism: Nile tilapia Oreochromis niloticus and blue tilapia Oreochromis aureus. Parent species characteristics for Nile tilapia: fast growth rates and high feed efficiency, and blue tilapia is better tolerance to low temperature and good survival in varying environment. The taxonomy for Nile tilapia refer to scientific classifications: domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Cycliformes, family Cyclidae, genus Oreochromis, and species Oreochromis niloticus. The taxonomy for blue tilapia, same like Nile tilapia, refer to scientific classifications: domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Cycliformes, family Cyclidae, genus Oreochromis, and species Oreochromis aureus. The next slide is result. Number one is growth performance. Hybrid tilapia show higher growth rate compared to parental species. Average weight after 12 weeks for Nile tilapia 180 gram, blue tilapia 160 gram, and hybrid 200 gram. Number two is environmental tolerance. Hybrid tolerates lower water temperature, 18 until 20 degrees Celsius, better than Nile tilapia. And number three is survival rate. Survival under semi-intensive culture. For Nile tilapia 88%, blue tilapia 92%, and hybrid for 95%. Number four is sex ratio optional. Hybrid show higher proportions of males, 60 until 65%. The discussion is hybrid inherits environmental. Hybrid tilapia show better growth, survival, and tolerance than either parents. Useful in commercial tilapia farming. Advantageous for production since males grow faster and delay maturity. Hybridizations combines growth traits of Nile and tolerance traits of blue tilapia. The importance of tilapia hybridizations to the economy. Number one is growth performance advantage, faster growth, better feed conservation ratio (FCR). Number two is improved survival and hardiness, high stock density, intensive culture system, and number three, environmental and temperature tolerance, seasonal farming, and fluctuating environmental conditions. Number four is reproductive control benefit, grow faster and reduce unwanted reproductions. Pros of the hybridizations. Number one, faster growth rate. Hybrids often show hybrid vigor heterosis, grow faster than pure parental species. Number two, better feed conservation efficiency, improved ability to convert feed into body mass, lower feed conservation ratio (FCR). Number three, improved survival rate, greater resistant to environmental stress, better tolerance to handling, transport, and cradling, reduce mortality during culture. Number 4, enhance environmental tolerance. Hybrids inherit tolerance, traits from both parents, better adaptation to temperature fluctuations, low dissolved oxygen, variable water quality. Number 5, increased disease and stress resistance. Hybrids often show stronger immunity and lower susceptibility to common diseases. Cons of the hybridizations. Number 1, risk to wild populations, escape to hybrids into the natural waters, interbreeding with wild species can disrupt natural ecosystem and biodiversity. Number 2, possible loss of adaptation over time. Hybrid may not adapt well to local conditions long term. Dependence to hatchery for continuous seed supply. Number 3, genetic dilution and loss of pure strains. Hybridizations may reduce availability to pure broodstock, loss of valuable genetic traits in native or original species, difficult to reverse once hybrids dominate productions. Number 4, reduce reproductive ability, lower fertility, and poor eggs or sperm quality. Number 5, higher management and technical requirements, requires skilled broodstock management and needs controlled breeding programs. For the recommendations, number 1 is use only first generation F1 hybrids. F1 hybrids show the strongest hybrid vigor and produce hybrids continuously from pure parent stock. Number 2 is implement strong biosecurity measure, reduce disease transmission during hybrid productions, quarantine new stock before breeding, reduce disease transmission during hybrid productions. Number 3 is maintain pure broodstock lines, prevent uncontrolled crossbreeding, preserve genetic quality and long-term breeding sustainability. The conclusions: hybridization is an effective strategy to improve aquaculture's productivity, combines desirable traits such as fast growth, high survival and environmental tolerance, hybrid vigor, heterosis, enhances growth performance and feed efficiency, reduce unwanted reproduction, and improve harvest uniformity. Next is the reference slide. Reference number 1 related to limited hybridizations between introduced and critically endangered indigenous tilapia fishes in northern Tanzania. Number 2 related about comprehensive perspective on catfish, siluriforms, hybridization from sustainable aquaculture development. And number 3, related genetic status and hybridization for red tilapia strains, Sukabumi, Thailand and Taiwan, Egyptian Journal of Aquatic Biology and Fisheries 229, page 519 until 535. Number 4, from FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, hybridization is the mating of genetically differentiated individuals.